So in this video, you'll learn how to install and set up the Gboard, also known as the Google Keyboard, on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So the first step is to just navigate to the Google Play Store, and what you're going to do is just use the search function and search for Google Keyboard or Gboard. And then search. You should see it listed here in the search results, so go ahead and tap on it to view the app details, and then select Install, and simply wait for the keyboard to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded and installed, you can tap on Open to launch it. And then from here, you need to go through the process of setting it up. This includes turning it on, so just select Enable in Settings, and then it will redirect you to the Settings menu, and all you need to do is just tap on the toggle next to Gboard to turn it on. Confirm that you wish to enable it, and then from here, go back to the main menu that you had seen previously, and then ensure that you set it as your default keyboard. So tap on Select Input Method, and then in this pop-up, simply choose Gboard. Then tap on Done to finish up the process. So from here, you'll see the list of settings that you can use to customize the Gboard. And you'll also notice when you go up and bring the keyboard on your phone, you can see you've switched from the Samsung keyboard to the Google keyboard. And so that is how you can install and set up the Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.